Exercise 8.2, draw how these shapes will look after the given turn clockwise. So we have to turn this shape clockwise, and how much of a turn we have to do is given over here. In the first column, we have to write after this figure is turned a quarter turn, okay? And when this figure is turned, half a turn is taken, how does it look? That we have to write over here. So all these figures, I have cut them out, and then whatever picture is there, it has to be drawn over here, okay? So what are we to do with these figures? We have to turn them once quarter turn and then half a turn and clockwise, okay? Means how do you know, how does the hands of the clock move? In that direction you have to move this quarter turn and half turn. So if this is the way the clock moves like this, okay? So in the second column your picture will be like this. Then you have a half turn. Again clockwise if you move, the figure will go like this. So this will become a half turn. So that is how you have to draw in your book. So that's why I told you you'll have to do the cutting like this, or what I did, I turned the book and saw what type of a figure it will look, and then I wrote it, okay? So you can do the same. Now the second figure that you have in your textbook is this, okay? Now how is it? Yes, it is like this, okay? So the book figure is like this in your textbook. Now if it has to be turned clockwise quarter turn, then what will I do? Like this. This will become a clockwise quarter turn, and then half a turn means again you have to take 90 degrees. Then this becomes half turn, okay? So this is the picture you will draw in the second column. First column is this, means with the quarter turn. This is half turn. Then the third picture that we have is the one with the circle and an arrow, okay? So initially the arrow is pointing up. Now when we turn it clockwise, it will point this side. So in the second column where you have to draw the quarter turn, the arrow will be pointing that side. Now for half a turn, this arrow will point down, okay? So this is half a turn. I keep it aside. Next we have this, okay? Wherein first you have to do quarter turn. So this has to be first of all at the top, and then when you do quarter turn, it will go that side. So this is the picture you have to draw in the second column. Now third column, half a turn, this thing will become like this, okay? This is half a turn. Then we have the picture which is this, okay? So now if it is like this, on quarter turn, how will it become? Like this. And then on a half turn, it will become like this, okay? So that's how you have to draw in your book. So if you have this, it will become easy for you. And next, on the next page, you also have some other figures. One is this, okay? So it is like this, and they are asking us, okay, this is a different question. Let me show it to you. Question number 2, what will come next? So we need to see the way in which this particular shape is moving. So I already have this shape with me, and I will keep moving it to see how I'm getting this second shape, and I will move it again to see how I will get the third shape. Okay, then in the same direction, that much only I will move, so that I will know what will happen in the fourth place, what has to be drawn. Similarly, I have this also made, okay? So I have made this also. So I will be moving this also and showing it to you, so you will know what will happen over here, okay? Yes. So the first shape is like this. It is like this in your book. And what is happening to this? This is becoming like this, isn't it? This is going towards the right. So what happened? from here it is going clockwise quarter turn. Then again clockwise quarter turn is this. So again we have to do clockwise quarter turn. So the fourth picture that you have to draw is this. Okay, in this exercise. Now in the same question, the second one we have is this, wherein it is facing that side. Okay, so it is like this in the first picture, and in the second picture it is like this. Okay, so what happened? We are going again quarter turn clockwise. 90 degrees we are moving and we are going clockwise. So this is the second. Then third is like this. So obviously fourth will be like this. So this will be your quarter turn clockwise. So in the fourth dash that you have to draw it like this. Okay.